morning, dears. Last day we have completed up to question number 11 from exercise 5.2. Look at question number 12. It says the age of father is 7 times the age of son. 10 years later, the age of father would be thrice the age of son. Find the present ages. Now, let the age of father be x and age of son be y. So according to the question, first situation is father's age is 7 times his son's age. So x is equal to 7y. This is one we have written. Then second it says after 10 years later. So it gives you after 10 years. Father's age would be x plus 10 and the son's age would be y plus 10. Again it says father will be, so x plus 10 will be thrice the son's age, 3 into y plus 10, or it gives you x plus 10 is equal to 3y plus 30, or x minus 3y is equal to 30 minus 10, x is equal minus 3y is equal to 20. This is equation number 2. Placing the value of x into what does it gives you? X means 7y minus 3y is equal to 20. 4y is equal to 20, or y is equal to 20 by 4. Y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 7y, or x is equal to 7 into 5. 35. Now the father says his son says is 5 years, father says is 35 years. Will be the answer. Right? Son's father says is equal to 35 years. Son says is equal to 5 years. We have got the value of ages of their son and father. Look at question number 13. It says the percentage of Kapil and Karuna are in the ratio of 2:3. 6 years later, the ratio would be 5:7. Find their present ages. Now let the age of Kapil is x, Karuna y. So x by y is equal to 2 by 3. You can find. After 6 years, Kapil will be x plus 6. Karuna will be y plus 6. So x plus 6 by y plus 6 is equal to 5 by 7. So there is no problem in doing question number 13. Look at question number 14. It says a father's age is 3 times the age of his child. After 12 years, twice the age of father will be 36 more than the sum of ages of his children. Find his present age. Now, you can see the first, it is given his child, and afterward it is given sum of ages of his children. So there is some confusion with the question number 14. So we'll just hold question number 14. Afterward we'll do. You don't need to do. You finish question number 13. 12 I have done. 13 you finish. 14 just wait. We'll do it later. Now look at number 15. In a triangle, the sum of two angles is equal to the third angle. if the difference between this two angle is 20 degree, determine the angles. Now look at question number 15. The triangle, the sum of two angles is equal to the third angle. Let the first two angles would be, let the first angle be x, second angle be y. So third angle is equal to x plus y. It is given. What do we know when we add? We know sum of three angle is x plus y plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Do we know? As sum of three angle is sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So I have written first angle, second angle and third angle is equal to 180, or it gives you 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree, or x plus y 2 common is equal to 180 degree, or x plus y is equal to 180 degree by 2, or x plus y is equal to 90 degree. This is situation number 1. Expression number 1 we got. Second expression says the difference between these two angles is 20 degree. Difference between the angle is equal to 20 degree. So first angle minus second angle is 20 degree. This is situation number 2. Now we have x plus y 90 and x minus y 20. So adding 1 and 2 because they have different sign. X plus y 90, x minus y 20. So if I add, I will have 2x is equal to 110 degree, or x is equal to 55 degree. Placing x in 1, 55 plus y is equal to 90 degree, or y is equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree, 35 degree. So we have got these two angles. Now the third angle is, so the third angle 55 plus 35 is equal to 90 degree. Third angle will be 90, first angle is 55, second angle is 35. You can see at the end I have written the third angle. So once again I am saying you 12 number I have done, 13 is given you to do, 14 you will not do, you just wait for question number 14. 15 I have done. So up to 15 we have completed in today's class. So let it be up to here. Next day we will be solving question number 16 and all. Till then you must keep practicing. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you dears.